is Mary Roberts and I live in Pembrokeshire on my family dairy farm with my grandparents, my parents and my brother. This time last year I graduated from Gloucester University from doing an events management degree. At the time not many events were happening, so I moved home and started farming.
I'm Emma Roberts. I was a nurse for 30 years, and after caring for my dad and having some time off to look after him, I decided that I should really come home and be a full-time farmer. We farm 360 acres at Bryn Iron. We're a dairy farm. We milk twice a day. The cows are producing 9,000 litres. I gave up nursing and had a massive learning curve ahead of me. So I've been able to access some of the things that Farming Connect have been able to offer.
Before I came home to start farming, I had no clue about anything. So using Farming Connect has really helped me.
My first encounter with Farming Connect was I walked onto the stand in the Royal Welsh, and I didn't even realise what it was all about, to be honest. So picked up some leaflets, found out who covered our area, got in touch then with Rhiannon and basically put her in my phone, so she was always a phone call away if ever I needed any advice on how to access things.
At the start of the year I joined the Prosper from Pasture course, and it's really in-depth learning about soil management, different types of grass and how to organise your rotations just to get the best from your cows and the grass.
My real interest is the calf rearing. I think it comes down to my nursing background. I love looking after things. So yeah, just taking that fully on board. Learned a lot about colostrum management and giving the calves the best possible start. Hopefully we reap the rewards later on. Up to this point, I've accessed a lot of the e-learning.
Just using the resources has helped me so much. It feels like being back in uni again with all my online lessons, but I'm really enjoying it.
I would encourage people to go to our website, and once you have got an idea of the services that Farming Connect can offer, pick up the phone, contact your local development officer, and there's nothing better than a chat with them to be able to point you in the right direction for the services which will really help to benefit you personally and also help develop your business.
Having tapped into what Farming Connect can offer, it's certainly given me confidence to take the farm forward. I feel I will be using their services a lot in the future too.
I'd like to learn as much as I can this summer, and who knows what will happen in the future. This time last year I didn't think I'd be farming, but here I am.